Look at this huge fish cake and potato skewer. Biting into the chewy fish cake is a layer of soft and smooth mashed potato and the melting cheese stretching. Wow, snack lovers can't walk away with these delicious tasty skewers. Let's begin. Oh yeah!
Helen's Recipes.
You will need 300 g of potatoes, 3 mozzarella sticks, 300 g of fish paste, some salt, pepper, and cornstarch. Firstly, peel the potatoes and cut into cubes, and then separate the beautiful square shape to deep fry and put the rest in a steamer or boil for about 15 to 20 minutes until they are fork tender. Put the potatoes in a mixing bowl and then mash well. Season with a pinch of salt and pepper, some chopped green onions or chives for a fragrant flavor. If boiled, the potatoes will be a bit wet, so you can add cornstarch to make it more manageable. Marinate the fish paste with some minced shallots, salt, pepper, and mix well. Cut the cheese sticks into dices. Take a tablespoon of the mashed potato, shape into a nice ball and flatten it out. Put the cheese cube in the center and make into a round ball. Lay out a piece of plastic wrap on a cutting board. Take out about a tablespoon of the fish paste. Fold the wrap to make the fish paste into a thin layer. Place the cheese and potato ball in the center. Gather the edges and twist to make a round shape. Grease your hands with some vegetable oil and roll it into a beautiful fish and potato ball. Next, heat vegetable oil in a pan until bubbles appear around the chopstick. Lightly drop the fish and potato balls into the oil and fry until golden brown. Flip instantly to help the fish ball expand and stay in good shape. Also deep fry the potato cubes. You can fry 2 times so it's more crispy. Skew the fish balls and the potato into sticks. Drizzle the chili sauce and mayonnaise on top. You can serve with plum chili sauce too. The fish cake layer is slightly chewy, while the potato is really soft and creamy. And look at that melting cheese stretching. So delicious. I hope you will give it a try and send me some photo. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more delicious dishes like this. See you next time. Bye!